Okay, good afternoon. It's Luke Thomas Holmquist at the Earthquake Forecast Center. It is 2:22 in the afternoon on July 6, 2021. And let's go over the previous forecast. The last video, we were concerned about a strong earthquake in Southern California. Let's share the screen here. And you can see that we had a flurry of activity in the south part of California. We had a 3.3 and a 3.2 in Parkfield, 3.3 and 3.2, 3.0 east of LA, and a 3.5 in Fontana, just north of Riverside and east of Los Angeles. So quite a bit of activity. 5 significant earthquakes in Southern California during that warning. We are going to shift most likely to a different forecast model. That magnitude is very, very difficult in forecasting earthquakes. Timing and location is much easier, although that is very difficult as well. We're going to look at the California forecast here, and it's the highest risk is in Southern California here, southeast of Indio, northeast of San Diego, and southeast of Hemet, east of Oceanside. Right here near the Salton Sea is the highest risk. And we should get at least a 5.0 earthquake in the Salton Sea area here, Borrego Springs, east of Murrieta. Palm Springs is very close to that area as well. But right near the Salton Sea, we should get a significant earthquake during the next 24 hours. These forecast maps that I'm making here are mostly for the next 12 to 24 hours. So this forecast is, we'll update again tomorrow. And for now, though, this very high risk in Southern California near the Salton Sea, and that should happen tonight or tomorrow morning. All right, let's look at the Japan forecast. And you can see the highest risk is here way in the south near Kagoshima, just south of Kumamoto. They call this the western part of Japan, but actually it's, well, it is the west, but it's also the south. Kagoshima down there, that should get a 5.0 during the next, 4.5 to 5.0 is likely during the next 24 hours. And also way up here, northeast of Sapporo in the Hokkaido, 4.5 is possible up in that area. So in Japan, far southern Japan and far northern Japan are under risk. 5.0 is possible near Kagoshima, 4.5 is possible in the far north near Hokkaido. All right, let's take a look at the forecast for Greece. And we'll try to add some more different countries as well in the next couple of days. This forecast is for the country of Greece. You can see the highest risk here is in western Greece, west central Greece. So here's Athens right here. And just west of there is the highest risk. A 5.0 is likely in that area during the next 24 hours, 24 to 36 hours. So right now, I believe it is almost the 7th, maybe even the 7th of July right now. So the 7th of July, this is likely, or early on the 8th in west central Greece, west of Athens, right there. That should happen very soon during the next 24 to 36 hours, 5.0 in western Greece. Let's look at Italy. Italy forecast, there's a high risk here just southeast of Naples, Napoli, southeast of Naples, and northwest of Catanzaro, north of Messina, right here in southern Italy. A 4.5 is possible and likely in that area, southeast of Naples and northwest of Catanzaro during the next 24 to 36 hours. And I like to keep checking for the world, what quakes have hit during the last 24 hours, just to kind of keep updated. And there we go. There's a quake that hit up there in northern Hokkaido. I didn't see that. That's in our Japan forecast. That's up here. Let's see, right about there, up in our 80 to 85% risk area. But this is for the next 24 hours as well. So those two hotspots. So once again, in Italy, the highest risk is down here southeast of Naples. And in Greece, the risk is in west central Greece. And in Japan, the risk is in far southern Japan, or west near Kagoshima, and north near Hokkaido. And let's look at the California forecast again here. And this forecast is based on 16 years of research. This just happens to be a forecast model that we're using right now. And it's I've tested it on some of the past earthquakes, and it works very well. In fact, this forecast model worked extremely well on the 3.9 or the 4.2 that hit up in San Francisco Bay on the 28th of June. And it's worked on many other earthquakes, large earthquakes as well. So let's stick with this forecast model, and let's go back over to California here. There we go. Just had a 2.6 just hit up near the geysers. So very high risk down near the Salton Sea during the next 24 to 36 hours, most likely during the next 12 hours. So right now it's 2 o'clock. So before 2 in the morning, most likely we'll get a significant earthquake here near the Salton Sea. All right, you can go over to quakeprediction.com and check out our forecast. For now, we have the California forecast. And right now we're just focusing on Southern California. And we have the Italy forecast. And this is focused in the southern portion of Italy. And we have Greece and Japan. Greece, Western Greece is the high risk area, and Japan. So those are the 4 forecast countries or locations that we're looking at right now. And we will be adding, hopefully, Chile and the Philippines and some other countries as well during the next couple of days. Each one of these maps takes a long time to put together. So appreciate your patience. And we will talk to you after the earthquake. We might give you an update here after this quake hits down near the Salton Sea. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our Twitter page. See if I can find that real quick. Twitter. There's our Twitter page. And there it is. Twitter.com/Quake Prediction is our Twitter page. And you can see our updates there on Facebook. We also have a page over there. And it is right here. Facebook.com/Earthquake Center. Facebook.com/Earthquake Center. And we give you updates on that page as well as often as possible. So please check those out. We will talk to you soon. We will talk to you after the earthquake, most likely down in the Salton Sea area during the next 12 to 24 hours. All right. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Earthquake Forecast Center. And we are continuing to improve our forecast over the last 16 years. And magnitude is very difficult, but the time and location is getting easier as we continue to research. All right. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll talk to you again after the earthquake. Thank you so much.